Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1957 Hermes Rocket vintage ultra portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Made in Switzerland, one of the top typewriters of all time, especially when it comes to ultra portables. The Hermes name is the best of the best. The Hermes 3000 is the best of all time. And this is basically like a miniature version of that. Different feel though. Up top is the left margin. I'm going to set that close to 0, and the right one around 80, and this is the paper support arm that flips up from the back. This is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got a scale on it, holds the page down nice and tight. Once you hear the bell, you're near the end of the margin. Hit this line space, gets it back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, just flip it towards you 1 notch. It skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on this next line. Absolutely beautiful. The feel of this thing is so satisfying. It's got like a snappy comfort feel to it. Print looks perfect. Pica typeface prints 10 characters per inch. And this typewriter is in near mint condition. And I don't say that lightly. There's not any dirt on this thing, or there's a little bit of scuffness, like right here. And the platinum's in really great shape. Everything is just perfect. This is the best condition Hermes Rocket or Hermes Ultra Portable that I've ever had. So that's saying a lot. As soon as I open this up, you can just the lighting might be off or whatever, but as soon as you open this up, it just glows. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side. Flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy, cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. Going to flip this down for now. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. This button with the arrows going in each direction is the margin release. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. Hit that margin release, allows you to get past that and go all the way to the end. Very good. Backspace on the top right. Very smooth. This doesn't have a touch control or a tab on it. Ultra portable. A lot of ultra portables do not have those functions. This is your carriage release. Super smooth, just like a Hermes should be. Knobs look brand new, originals. Everything looks brand new. This is your line space return, and if you push it in, tuck this back, and push the line space selector all the way back, it will lock the carriage in the middle sometimes. There we go. So when you have it in the case, it's nice and tight, centered. You just flip this on it like that. Got the green handle and 2 buttons. Open it, and to unlock it, you just flip the line space selector to 1, and you can swivel this. Very cool. I love this machine. And one function that I always forget to do is the line space retainer disengage. So if you hold the right knob with one hand and this knob with the other hand and just turn it towards you like that, and it's almost like you're loosening it, it disables the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. And you push it to the back, you turn it to the back while you're holding the right knob, tighten it up, and you get the clicks. Each one of those clicks is a half a space. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.